If you want to get a good quality car accessories according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. The AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge is an excellent tool for keeping your tires properly inflated. With a large and easy-to-read backlit display, it accurately measures tire pressure with high precision, up to 0.5 psi. The gauge is also equipped with a simple push button to control the on/off function, and it automatically shuts off after 30 seconds of inactivity to conserve battery life. The gauge's ergonomic design with a non-slip texture provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use. The device also includes a built-in air release valve to let out excess air if needed. Overall, the AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge is an essential tool for maintaining your vehicle's safety and performance, making it a worthy investment for any driver. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Be Smart Get Prepared 110-Piece First Aid Kit. The Be Smart Get Prepared 110-Piece First Aid Kit is a comprehensive and compact kit that provides essential first aid supplies for emergency situations. With a variety of bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and other medical supplies, this kit is ideal for use at home, in the car, or during outdoor activities. The kit comes in a durable and lightweight case that is easy to carry and store, and the organized compartments make it easy to find what you need quickly. The kit includes a first aid guide that provides step-by-step instructions on how to use the supplies and treat common injuries. Overall, the Be Smart Get Prepared 110-Piece First Aid Kit is an excellent value for its price, and it's an essential item to have on hand for any unexpected injuries or emergencies. The number 3 position is held by Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit 4330 AAA. The Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit 4330 AAA is a comprehensive emergency kit designed for use on the road. The kit includes a wide range of emergency supplies, including jumper cables, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and an emergency whistle. The supplies come in a compact and durable carrying case that easily fits in the trunk of your car. One of the standout features of this kit is the AAA membership that comes with it, providing peace of mind knowing that help is just a phone call away. The jumper cables are also high quality and reliable, providing a boost to your dead battery when needed. Overall, the Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit 4330 AAA is an excellent investment for anyone who frequently travels by car and wants to ensure they're prepared for any unexpected emergencies on the road. Next at number 4, we have Rubbermaid Battery Power Scrubber 1,839,685. The Rubbermaid Battery Power Scrubber 1,839,685 is a powerful and efficient cleaning tool that makes tackling tough stains and grime a breeze. The scrubber is battery-powered, making it cordless and easy to use without being tethered to an outlet. It features a durable and high-quality scrub brush that can be easily replaced when worn out. The ergonomic handle design is comfortable to hold and easy to grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. The scrubber is also water-resistant, making it safe to use in wet conditions. It's ideal for cleaning various surfaces, including tiles, grout, and sinks, and it's particularly useful for removing tough stains and grime that are difficult to clean with traditional methods. Overall, the Rubbermaid Battery Power Scrubber 1,839,685 is an excellent tool for those who want to make cleaning faster, easier, and more effective. Finally, the number 5 position is held by Febreze Unstopables Car Odor. The Febreze Unstopables Car Odor Eliminator is a highly effective product for removing unpleasant odors from your car. It comes in a compact and convenient design that makes it easy to use and store. The product has a long-lasting scent that keeps your car smelling fresh and clean for up to 30 days. It's formulated with odor-eliminating technology that targets and removes tough odors, including smoke, food, and pet smells. The product is also easy to use. Simply clip it onto your car's air vent, and the scent is dispersed throughout your car's interior. The scent is not overpowering, and it adds a pleasant fragrance to your car's interior. Overall, the Febreze Unstopables Car Odor Eliminator is an excellent solution for anyone looking to eliminate unpleasant odors and keep their car smelling fresh and clean. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.